Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Two-factor authentication is super important for keeping your marketplace account secure, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Start by logging into your marketplace account on the official website. You'll need your username and password ready. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings or profile menu, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to access your account options. Step 2. Inside your account settings, find the Security section or Settings tab. This is where all your security features live. Look for options related to authentication, security, or two-factor authentication. The menu might be labeled differently depending on when you last updated the platform, so take your time looking through the options. Step 3. Once you've found the two-factor authentication settings, click on the option to enable it. You'll be presented with a few different methods to choose from. Most platforms offer authenticator apps, text message codes, or email verification. Pick the method that works best for you and feels most secure. Step 4. If you choose an authenticator app, you'll need to scan a QR code with your phone. Download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy first, then scan the code displayed on your screen. Your phone will generate unique codes that change every 30 seconds. Step 5. Finish the setup by confirming your two-factor method and saving your changes. Write down any backup codes provided, store them somewhere safe, and you're done. Your account now has an extra layer of protection whenever you log in.